Do you struggle with what to say in your videos? Well, I have a proven video script formula, so you don't have to worry about it. And make sure to stay tuned all the way to the end to get the details on how you can grab a downloadable worksheet so that you can nail your videos every single time. No more winging it. I talk about all things business cinema, which is video with a plan, a purpose, a system, and a strategy, not just creating videos all willy-nilly. So if you want to learn more about business cinema, make sure you are subscribed and click the bell so you can get notified when new videos go live. I'm going to share with you today my proven video script formula, but I'd love to hear from you before I do that. How do you come up with your scripts? Do you write full scripts? Do you do outlines? Do you bullet point? Or do you just wing? Do you just wing it? Let me know in the comments. Write script, outline, bullets, or winging it. So my video script formula that I use and have been using this for years, I actually got this idea from a video challenge that I ran back in 2014. Holy moly, time flies. Back in 2014, and it was a video that was created by Liz Donaghy, the garden goddess by the sea, and she created a video talking about how to create the perfect potted plant. And you know how you do that? You have a thriller, a filler, and a spiller. Well, that is the exact formula that you need to create an amazing video for YouTube. So all you need to do is thrill, which is basically how you start your video. You want to be able to say something captivating, engaging, something that sparks curiosity, ask a question, something that is exciting and will intrigue the viewer to continue watching. Make a promise. Whatever it is the thing that you're going to do to hook your viewer into watching your video. Thrill them, if you will. The next thing is the filler. So filler is the value that you're going to add. You're going to deliver on the promise that you made when you thrilled them and share something valuable. People don't have a lot of time to waste. You're busy, I'm busy, everybody's busy. Hashtag F the fluff. Don't be wasting people's time with videos that don't do anything. So deliver value, share some tips, showcase your expertise, whatever the case may be. Deliver on the value that you promised you were going to deliver. Last but not least, you have the spiller, which is an opportunity for you to cash in on the sense of reciprocity that you've built up with the filler by delivering on the promise and adding value. So where do you want the viewer to spill over? And this is basically your call to action. What is your call to action at the conclusion of your video? So it could be, come on over to my website and sign up for my newsletter, hollystudios.com, or subscribe to my YouTube channel, or it could be a content upgrade. Speaking of, I'm totally offering a freebie on this video. If you want to grab that downloadable sheet, I totally got one for you. So go on over to hollystudios.com/video script formula and grab your downloadable worksheet so you don't have to wing your videos, okay? Do it now. And I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below, are you scripting, outlining, using bullet points, or winging it? Let me know. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who might like this video, go ahead and share it up. And remember, you're someone's reason to smile, so don't give up. Let's get this party going. Just fluff up my hair. Make sure that looks all right. Yeah. Pew, pew, bullets. Wing, 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 wing. Don't wing it, by the way. Don't wing it. Don't wing it.